Hi guys, today we are going to cover a muscular dystrophy in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows. First, list of food pressed oils or bull-driven oils. List of concoctions. Diet plan with millets. The important one is exercise, and last one, what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, let's talk about wood pressed oils on empty stomach. Okay, every day on empty stomach you have to drink 2 to 3 spoons of Niger seed oil in first week. Second week, coconut oil. Third week, 2 to 3 spoons of sesame seed oil. All these oils must be wood pressed or bull driven oils. Okay, repeat this cycle after every 3 weeks, and there should be 30 minutes. This is 0. Okay, sorry for that. 30 minutes gap between the bull driven oils and the concoction. Okay, on empty stomach means if you are waking at 6 a.m., if you are habituated to drink water, there is no problem, you can drink water. If you drink 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour, that is at 7 a.m., you can have this oil. If you take 1.5 liter of water on empty stomach, that is at 6 a.m., then wait for 1.5 hour, that is at 7:30 a.m., you can have this oil. Okay, right. Coming to the concoction part, Indian mallow leaves for first week, 4 to 5 leaves you have to take for to make concoction. Organic turmeric powder. Okay. Hmm. If you do not get good quality turmeric powder, you can use turmeric stick as well. Okay, by crushing it into pieces. Small, take a small piece and crush it, and then you can place it in the warm water to make concoction. Common rule is take 15 to 20 leaves to make concoction. Bermuda grass 3 to 4, okay, pieces. Guava leaves 3 to 4 leaves to make concoction. Night jasmine 4 to 5 leaves to make concoction. This is the plan. First week Indian mallow leaves, second week organic turmeric powder or turmeric stick, third week common rue leaves, fourth week Bermuda grass, fifth week guava leaves, sixth week night jasmine leaves. Okay, after sixth week you have to again go back to first week. Okay, you have to repeat this sequence till you get recovered. If you do not find any one or two of the above leaves, you can still continue with the remaining leaves. Okay, for example, you do not get common rule, go to Bermuda grass on the third week itself. Okay, yeah, one more important thing is you have to maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap after having concoction. Okay, then only you can have your next meal. Okay, once you drink concoction, wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour to have your next meal. Coming to the millet part, diet plan. Foxtail millet for 2 days. If you are having 2 meals per day, have those 2 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay, if you are having 3 meals a day, have those 3 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay, like that. Brown top millet for 2 days, barnyard for 1 day, kodo millet for 1 day, little millet for 1 day. Okay, so eat these millets alternately for this 7-day schedule and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. There shouldn't be rice, bread, or wheat products till the recovery. You shouldn't consume these till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. Okay, for both purposes, for drinking as well as for cooking. How to cook millets? You can cook millets either like rice, or you can make millet porridge. Okay, like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet, soak it for 8 hours and cook it on a open top vessel. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Okay, if you want to make it more watery, you can add 10 glasses of water also. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it. Okay, if it is summer, you can only keep it for 6 to 7 hours. That much is sufficient for it to get fermented. Okay, coming to the most important part, exercise. You have to walk minimum 1 hour per day. At starting, if you can walk only for 15 minutes, walk for 15 minutes. Slowly you can increase your walking time. Okay, this is minimum. Okay, how fast you walk, it doesn't matter. Okay, but how much time you walk, that matters. Okay, slowly increase your walking time. Okay, you can walk for 2 hours, 3 hours, your wish. Fine. Next, foods to avoid: all milk and dairy products you have to avoid. Rice and wheat products also you have to avoid. You have to avoid all refined oils. Sugar, jaggery also you have to avoid. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, honey, 100% pure honey, and dates. Okay. Even in the concoction, if you cannot take it as it is, you can add palm jaggery in it. Okay. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products. Polished millets or refined millets, you can only have whole millets, not polished ones. Non-vegetarian food: cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Now you are going to look at how to make concoction using any one of the leaves mentioned above. Okay. Hi guys. You have to take 3 to 4 leaves. 3 leaves of this size is enough to make concoction. Okay. uh, the middle ones are better. Okay. The tender ones are better actually. If you take new leaves, that is better to make this kashayam. Okay. uh, Simultaneously, I am boiling the water. Okay. When the water is slightly boiled, at that time you have to uh, place these leaves in the boiling water. Okay. And then you have to boil it again for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Yes, see guys, this much is sufficient. Okay. Now we are placing the leaves. Okay. Actually, you can take only 3 leaves. 3 leaves is sufficient. Okay. And you have to close it, close the vessel. Okay. And sorry boil in a medium flame only. Okay. Low to medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I will tell you the rest of the procedure is very simple. What you need to do is you need to keep this lid closed for about 5 minutes. Okay. After the boiling also. And then you have to drink it sip by sip. Okay. When it is slightly warm. Okay. At the time you have to sip it spoon by spoon. Okay. And the water quantity is around 200 to 300 ml. Okay. I took 250 ml. Your wish. 200 to 300 ml is fine. Okay. That's it guys. This is after boiling. Okay. I kept it aside for 5 minutes. Okay. That you have to do compulsorily. And I will show you the color also, the color of the water. Okay. When it is slightly boiled for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Now it is almost 5 minutes. Okay. Now I'm taking this away. Okay. The lid away. Now you can see the color of the water. Let me remove the leaves also. Okay. See, when there is small particles of the leaves, then you need to filter it using a tea filter, a filter similar to a tea filter. Okay. Otherwise no problem. These leaves are of no use now. Okay. You can see the leaves clearly. Now what you need to do, you can drink now only. Okay. By taking a spoon, sipping it slowly. Okay. Pour it in a glass and sip it slowly. Okay. That's it guys. This is how you have to make any kashayam. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing. You need to wash these leaves by using running water only. Okay. With water only. Okay. Before placing it in the boiled water. And one more thing also, if you cannot drink it just like that. Okay. You can add some palm sugar or palm jaggery. Palm jaggery is best. Okay. That's it guys. Thank you. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.